bike build number 3, we're going to install the Givi Tank lock ring on the Suzuki Vstrom 1050. Now bear with me, I've got to work out which Allen key is the size to go in. But they've made it a bit different this time. Oh, it's all plastic. Is it plastic? Looks like it's plastic. And there's no metal washers like in the previous years. 1, 2, 3 larger bolts and 2 smaller bolts. Guess we're going to have a look at the instructions, see what it says. So the 2 smaller ones go in the top 2 and the large there. So okay, first things first. Let's guess what size it is. Let's see if it's 5mm. No. What size was that? 4mm. Okay, 4mm. So we're going to replace all 5 on this one. One, 2, 3. Oh yeah, it's short. Put those in my pocket. Too short. Let's take this out. We'll do the short ones first. That one. Now, looking at different size. They're really stuffing it small. What size is 3mm? So then I switched to a 3mm Allen key. Now the beauty of this, what I want to check is the key, which way it hinges open. Okay, it goes back. I like doing that, but I'm going to make sure I install this correctly. Let's put the first small one in. The small one in here. And the 3 large ones. The very top and the 2 the very bottom. 2. We'll work our way just gently in. Gently. A bit tight. You always work your way around clockwise, so it seats down flush with the bike. And you don't want to do it up too tight. I pull it thumb tight. Okay, that's in. We'll just check it. Now that's why you put a tank sticker on your bike, because that lip there, it does sit. Believe it or not, that little flap sits on the tank. So, lock it in. smell feel. Okay, I'll give you a closer look, guys. Now that's the Givi Tank lock system installed in the bike. Believe it or not, I think it's all, I don't know if it's plastic or what. It feels like plastic, or it's an aluminium. Seems like a new product compared to the older system. Oh, very similar. Let's click the bag on. That's what we're here for. A few comments lately on the Givi Tank bag. Now we're going to see if it interferes with the steering. Nope. Just touches that zipper. So what do we do with zippers, guys? We move them out of the way. That's to the end. Oh. So that's one issue. And the other way around that, bring the zipper back a bit, which is not ideal. Okay. That's only a small issue. Or is it a large issue? But silver and black Givi bag with the reflective piping. So that's a 15-litre bag and it is expandable. Highly recommend it. Been good so far. Sits on the bike okay. The other way around that, I could put a bit of tape on that zipper so it doesn't scratch the handlebars. So there you go. That's bike build number 3 of the Givi Tank lock system and tank bag. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.